Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have this soft daytime glam look for you for today's video. I'm going to use two eyeshadow palettes by Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Norvina and the Modern Renaissance palette.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me for who.
I will blend the first color Incense all over my crease with my Zoeva 228 brush. And I'm going back and forth and taking more product.
A past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you.
And the second color is Eccentric. I will blend this one on the outer V and the inner part of my eye with the Zoeva 231 brush. This is a small blending brush.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories
And blend the two colors together with your first one.
but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you.
Blend the outer edges with Golden Ochre from the Modern Renaissance palette and the Zoeva 224 brush. And it's time to apply some sparkle on my lid. I will apply the color Summer on my lid with my Zoeva 234 brush.
I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me.
blend the colors together and apply the color eccentric on the lower lash line. I'm doing this with the Zoeva 226, and the size of this brush is perfect for applying colors close to the lower lash line. And blend it with incense.
The one who loved me for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance.
I will highlight my inner corner and brow bone with the color Dreamer and the Zoeva 230 brush.
With you, you make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
I'll use the Sigma Longwear eye pencil on my waterline. And this is the result of this easy soft glam look. I hope you guys like how it came out, and I hope to see you by my next one. Thank you for your support.